In this video, I'll show you how you can solve the problem of challenge 12 using Excel 365 dynamic array formulas. So let me explain the problem. You can see I have a list of names which are actually the salesperson's name and their sales amount from January to June. I also have a sales target value in cell C9. So I need to check how many times each salesperson has met their target. I also need to find the month names in which they have achieved their target. So in the result table, I will have three columns. The first column will be the salesperson name. In the second column, I will have the numbers of target achieved. And the third column will contain the month names. To solve the problem, first, I will compare each sales value with my target. If I press enter, I will have true if a salesperson has met their target. Otherwise, I will have false. Now I will transform this true and false into a number. I can do that in many ways. Here I will use in function. I will just enclose the formula. I will press enter. Now I have 1 instead of true and 0 instead of false. As I have to calculate the numbers of target achieved for each salesperson, I mean for each row. So here I will use BYROW function. The first argument is array. I have already created the array, comma. In the function argument, I will write some function. I'll close the bracket and press enter. Now I have the numbers of target achieved for each salesperson. As I have to stack three columns, so here I will use HSTACK function. The first array will be salesperson's name, comma, and the second array I need the numbers of target achieved. I'll close the bracket, press enter. So I have to create the third column for my month name. In the third argument, which is array 3, here I will use the BYROW function again. The array will be again the value comparison with the target, comma. In the function argument, I will use Lambda because I have to build a customized function. Now I will declare a variable X. You can write any other name. My function is if. In the logical test, I'll write X, which actually return true or false, comma. In the second argument, which is value if true, I'll select the month range from January to June, comma. And in the third argument, which is value if false, I'll write double quotation, which means blank. So I'll close the bracket, close the bracket, close the bracket, close the bracket, and press enter. Now it's a calc issue. I have to concatenate the month names. So I will use TEXTJOIN function. First argument is delimiter. So delimiter will be comma and space. I'll write them in the double quotation, comma. In the ignore empty, I will select true as I want to ignore the empty value, comma. In the text argument, I have already the month names. So I'll just close the bracket and press enter. Now this is my expected result table. In the comment section of my LinkedIn post, you can see there are many solutions shared by the experts. You can also check them for solving this problem. I'll share the link of my LinkedIn post for your help. I hope you like my approach. In the next video, you will get the solution of this problem using Power Query M. See you then. Bye bye.